Chapter 2: Understanding Windows 10. Contents in this chapter: Windows 10 and its features, desktop, icons, taskbar, start button, live tiles, universal apps of Windows 10, customizing the desktop, displaying multiple windows at a time, cascading windows, show the desktop. An operating system, OS, is a system software that manages computer hardware and software resources. It acts as an interface between the computer hardware and the user. It also manages the computer system and does many other things. The first version of Windows was released in 1985. The latest version of Windows is Windows 10, which was released in 2015. Windows provides a graphical user interface, GUI, to the users. GUI contains various images, pictures, menus, buttons, diagrams, graphs, etc., which makes it easy to work on such operating system. Features of Windows 10. The important features of Windows 10 are as follows. Microsoft has finally brought back the Start menu, which was taken back in Windows 8. When you click on Start menu at the bottom left corner of the window, you will see two panels side by side. The left panel shows pinned and the right panel shows recently and most used apps. Windows 10 has brought Microsoft's voice-controlled digital assistant Cortana to desktop computers. You can also play Xbox One game on your PC or tablet with Xbox app for Windows 10. The default browser in Windows 10 is Microsoft Edge. Windows 10 comes with a new and attractive look with the blue highlighting features. You can see new pictures, graphics, styles, and themes. It allows you work in a new environment. Microsoft provides a Windows Store, which contains various paid and free apps, games, or movies. You can download the free apps if required or pay to buy any paid app. Windows Hello features allows you to show your face or fingerprints to access your computer. Desktop. The first screen that appears and becomes stable when you switch on the computer is called Windows Desktop. It is also known as the opening screen of Windows. It consists of icons, shortcuts, folders, desktop background, and taskbar. Important fact: on the bottom right corner of the desktop, there is a secret button. On clicking it, all the opened windows will get minimized. Icons. Icons are small pictures that represent a file, folder, or a program. We can open any program directly by double-clicking on its icon. The icons which is always present on the desktop are this PC, network, recycle bin. This PC. This icon is a gateway to all the data stored in your system and devices attached. When you open this icon, you can see various drives representing a storage media in which the data is stored. These drives include C, D, E, F, and G. C drive represents hard drive, and other drives represent the partitions on the hard drive. Network. This icon helps us maintain the automatically updated history of the computers that the user has accessed. Recycle bin. The recycle bin is an icon on the Windows desktop that represents a directory where deleted files are temporarily stored. It is also possible to restore the deleted objects back to the same location from recycle bin. Taskbar. The long horizontal bar that is displayed at the bottom of the desktop is called taskbar. It is mainly divided into three sections. A. Start button. The Start button is located at the leftmost side of the taskbar. When you click on this button, a list opens containing various options. The list is known as Start menu. You can navigate through the list and options and open the required application by selecting the option. You can also sleep, shut down, or restart the computer by selecting the power option from the start menu. You can click on all apps to find more applications to use. It also displays the list of most used apps. B. Middle section. You can see some tabs on this section that represent the applications and programs that are currently opened. You can also see small icons on this portion of the taskbar like currently opened folders, Microsoft Edge, Task View, and Store. When you click on them, they will get opened. There is also a search box where you can search for any application, folder, or icon by typing its name. C. Notification area. The notification area displays the programs running in the background and information such as the time and date, notifications, internet connection status, and the current volume level. Live tiles. When Start button is clicked, a screen with two panes appears. On the right pane, you can see live tiles of the most popularly used apps. These tiles show the information about date and day, weather information, mails, photo gallery, games, and office apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. You can move these tiles, resize them, and uninstall any of them as per the requirements. Pinning to start. More apps can be pinned to the right pane. To do this, take the following steps. 1. Go to Start, All Apps. 2. Take the mouse pointer on the app and right-click on it. 3. From the list, click on Pin to Start. 4. You will observe that the app is displayed as tile to the right pane. Unpin from Start. We can unpin the app from Start. Take the following steps for this. 1. Go to Start, All Apps. 2. Right-click on the app which you want to unpin. 3. Select Unpin from Start. 4. You will see that the app is unpinned from the right panel. Note: you can also right-click on the tile on right panel and select Unpin from Start option. Moving tiles. 1. Bring the mouse pointer on the file that is to be moved. 2. Click left mouse button and hold it. 3. Now drag the mouse and tile will also move. 4. Put the tile at desired location and drop it by releasing the mouse. Resizing tiles. You can also resize the tiles according to your choice. Tiles are generally available in 4 different sizes: small, medium, wide, and large. To resize a file, take the following steps. 1. Right-click on the tile. 2. From the pop-up list, hover mouse over Resize option. 3. Select the desired option and observe the change in the size of the tile. Turn Live Tile off. Windows 10 permits us to disable a live tile so that it stops giving live updates and changes into a static icon. Take the following steps to do so. 1. Click on the Start button. 2. Right-click on a file. 3. Select the More option. 4. Choose Turn Live Tile Off option from the sub-menu. Universal apps of Windows 10. There are some which can work on all the devices from phones and tablets to laptop and desktop systems. When you click on the Start button, you can see the universal apps on the right panel. These may include Weather, Photos, Mail, Cortana, Maps, Mail, Calendar, etc. These apps are part of Windows Store. Some of the apps have been explained on the next page. Calendar. It displays the current day and date. Clicking on this file or app to have the view of current month, previous month, and next month. You can also perform some calendar settings by clicking on Settings option. Mail. This app helps you to manage all your mail accounts at one place. It notifies you about incoming mails, allows you to read a mail and respond back to a sender. To use this app, you need to sign in with your account. Photos. Clicking on this app, you can view all the photos and videos in your system at one place. Weather. Clicking on this app displays the weather details like temperature, rain forecast, weather conditions, etc. Customizing the desktop. Windows is quite flexible and provides options to change the settings of desktop according to your choice. Take the following steps to change the color scheme of the computer screen. 1. Right-click on the blank area on desktop screen. 2. Select Personalization option. 3. A settings window opens. 4. In Personalization section, click on Colors option. 5. You can select the color from Windows Colors. 6. You can preview it in the Preview section. 7. If the checkbox Automatically pick an accent color from my background is clicked, it will automatically select a color that matches the desktop wallpaper. 8. If you want the selected color to appear on the title bar, Start, Taskbar and Action Center, click the corresponding checkboxes to make it enable. 9. Choose the default app mode by clicking on the corresponding radio button. 10. Notice the changes. Important fact. In Settings, go to Time and Language, Speech, Related Settings and click Speech, Inking and Typing Privacy Settings to enable speech services and typing suggestions. Displaying multiple windows at a time. We can display multiple windows side by side on the desktop screen at the same time. 1. Open Word 2016. 2. Open PowerPoint 2016. 3. Now right-click on the blank area on taskbar. 4. Select Show Windows Side by Side option. 5. You will see that both the windows appear side by side on the desktop. Cascading windows. The Cascade Windows option helps to arrange all open windows to overlap one another with their title bars remaining visible. You can quickly see which windows are open to switch to one. The window can be approached by clicking on its title bar. 1. Open multiple applications at a time. 2. Right-click on the taskbar. 3. Select Cascade Windows option. 4. You will see that all the windows are displayed in cascading form. Show the desktop. With the help of this option, you can minimize all the opened applications and windows and display the desktop screen. 1. Right-click on the blank area of the taskbar. 2. A pop-up list appears on the screen. 3. Select Show the Desktop option. 4. The desktop screen will appear with all the open windows minimized. Snapshot. Windows 10 is an operating system that acts as an interface between the user and the computer. When you switch on the computer system, the first screen that opens is called a desktop. Small pictures with names on the screen are called icons. The long horizontal bar which is present at the bottom of the desktop is called taskbar. The notification area displays the programs running in the background and information such as the time and date, notification, internet connection, status, and the current volume level. Start button is available at the bottom left corner of the desktop. Windows 10 provides some universal apps which can work on all the devices from phones and tablets to laptop and desktop systems. The desktop can be customized by changing some settings according to your choice.